KTN.
Let's talk matters aviation now, and airlines operating at the Wilson Airport are now calling on the Kenya Airports Authority to hasten the rehabilitation works, especially on the runway, which has continued to disrupt aviation operations for months now. According to the operators, they have been suffering losses running into more than £500 million shillings daily, and that there have been no signs of the works nearing completion anytime soon. And as Chris Thairo reports, encroachment into the airport land still continues unabated.
Wilson Airport, located at the heart of the capital city of Kenya, Nairobi, is arguably the busiest domestic airport in the country. However, every passing day, the size of the airport continues to shrink due to the illegal encroachment which has been happening over the years. And now the airport is facing more challenges due to the ongoing rehabilitation works which started in September last year. Some of the operators have been forced to divert their flights to JKIA as the recarpeting of the runway has reduced the number of flights landing or taking off. During an inspection tour by MPs from the Transport Committee, it emerged that operators are losing more than £500 million shillings a day.
The primary landing runway has been closed, meaning the larger equipment now, because of safety, have to relocate to Jomo. That results in what we call split operations. It's very painful for these operators, Honorable Chair and members. So that is why time is of the complete importance to these members. Every single day means a loss to their balance sheet.
And also there were issues to do with the lateness of the project, because I think they had agreed with the contractor and KA to have the project delivered within a certain period of time.
The Kenya Airports Authority, however, says it is still on the right track, given it has a grace period of 18 months to complete rehabilitation works, which started September last year. The renovation will cost the taxpayer 1.4 billion shillings.
There is a time we must take some pain to correct something once and for all. It will not bear us any good for us to rush and finish a job when we know the challenges involved, and after 3 months, I tell you, I'm asking for a notam to close the runway.
If for sure there is no capacity or is incompetent, then there is also a solution to that. We have many contractors who can do this.
That the PS and the MD should commit to give take full responsibility that if these works are not done within that speculated time, they should resign from their jobs.
MPs also questioned why the encroachment was still being witnessed and expressed the need for a possible forceful acquisition of the land from investors who have genuine title deeds.
Is the ministry willing to consider compulsory acquisition through the National Land Commission, or what is the strategy on the way forward?
The proposals to bid with some land across the bypass, which is also government land owned by Nairobi University. What can we do to have that land available for the expansion of the airport?
Safety concerns of passengers has also been raised. 2 months ago, SafariLink Dash 8 with 39 people veered off the runway after hard landing linked to deteriorating runway conditions and delayed rehabilitation works. As we head to the month of July, August and September, it is said to be the country's top peak when it comes to the tourism sector. And now the operators' fears is that they might continue making losses due to the delay in the construction of a new runway at the Wilson Airport. Chris Thairo, KTN at the Wilson Airport, Nairobi.
Now temperatures flared high in the